All right, so if you are having issues with the touchpad of your laptop, I can tell you I was searching online. I make this video on purpose mostly because I thought it was such a simple, easy fix that I wanted to share it. So here's what we're going to do. Again, there's your touchpad, okay? Let's say you've got a Windows 10 or Windows 11. This should work for both. You're going to go to the search bar, and all you're going to do is search for touchpad. Actually, it'll start showing up here, touchpad settings. We're going to click on that. And beforehand, mine was not working. Why wasn't it working? Because this right here was toggled on off. So just go ahead and toggle it on the on button. Now, this is totally up to you, but I think it's pretty important, the cursor speed. You can adjust that as well. I'm just doing mine a little bit quicker there. And that's it. Close it out, and your cursor should go ahead and work on the touchpad. Your touchpad should be back to normal. Let me know if this works for you.